My preference is to grow my tomatoes in pots. If I can find them, I always like to use a felt pot if I can get a 5-gallon or a 7-gallon. If I can't find those, you can also go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get a 5-gallon bucket, drill some holes at the bottom of it for drainage and aeration, and plant in there. I always like to use really good, high-quality soil for planting my tomatoes. For example, something like Fox Farm Ocean Forest is great, fabulous. Already has fertilizer and worm castings in it for allow for a really good start on that tomato plant. Deep roots and good aerations are what's really most successful in seeing good production in your tomato plant, and then also really strong structure for those branches of your tomato plant. Another little tip is to plant your starter. Usually we see starters in a 4-inch pot or a 1-gallon even. Plant that starter stalk a little bit deeper than you might think, maybe 1 or 2 inches. And planting that stalk deeper in the soil is going to make that stalk produce more roots. And that is going to help in anchoring and, again, making your structure below the soil strong and sturdy to allow for a robust and prolific grow season.